What is the Princess Ketilea doing today? Are you eating a pen? Are you eating a pen, baby? Who gave you that pen? Did Zion give you that pen? Is it a yummy pen to eat? What are you saying? Are you gonna smile? No, I want to keep going. Okay, let's go. Look, we found something. What is it? It's going to bloom into a beautiful flower, I think. Wow. Look right there. What is it? Don't pick it. Just look at it. Maybe we're going to come back in a bit and see what it is. Okay, come on. I found one that's almost open. Sometimes I allow her to do certain things just because I'm not the type of parent that does everything for you. I've never been like that, even when she was my only child. She spent a lot of time playing by herself just because I just never wanted to Don't go in the water with your shoes, please. So, there we are. Beautiful, beautiful. It's so beautiful. But yeah, so we're supposed to be working on kindness. And we lead by example, not by what we say. Sure. It's called a dock. Well, it's not necessarily to jump in the water. People attach their boats there so that they can walk out and put their boat into deeper water so that the rocks don't cut the bottom of the boat and damage it. So they dock their boat at the edge and they can walk off and go into it. Yeah, they tie it. That's right. See? Just about to throw rocks in the water.
Just splat it out and there we go.
So now he's fretting and crying after I called him to come. And like I said, I just let them figure it out themselves. He's not gonna die. So he's gonna take his time and cry and whine until he gets all the way back. You can do it. Come on.